Hello and welcome to part 2 of the script. This is for the close, which is basically just going over the repayment options that the client's eligible for. At this time, what you've done is you've scheduled a callback time and you have the repayment options since your file has now been QC verified. Hello client, this is Agent with Enrollment Center. How are you? We received the pre-qualification from the underwriting department. Are you in front of a computer right now? If not, do you have a smartphone that will allow you to be on the phone and browse the internet at the same time? What I'd also like for you to do is write down the repayment options that we have available for you. Are you ready? We go over the standard repayment option, the IBR, pay as you earn if available, and other programs such as ICR or graduated. We then ask the client, out of these options, which one do you think would suit you the best? Great, so what's going to happen next is that we need to send out the student loan consolidation agreement to you. The agreement will be sent to the email we have on file, which is that correct? Great, once we receive the agreement back, the consolidation process will begin. The monthly payments that you are making to your numerous lenders will be deferred until the consolidation is complete. Throughout your deferment, you will have a consolidation fee split into 3 easy payments. The payment schedule is as follows. Payment 1, 19967, Payment 2, 19967, and Payment 3, 19966. Your fourth payment will be your new monthly payment, which is X. This payment normally is due after 3 months after we start the consolidation. Typically, we like to schedule the first payment within 48 hours of receiving the approval. Would you like to schedule the first payment today or tomorrow? Okay, great. Would you like to schedule a second payment 2 weeks from now on the, and the third payment 2 weeks from the second payment? And the name on the card that you would like to use, and what's the issuing bank, and the credit card number, and what's the expiration date of the card. Fantastic. I am now generating the agreement to be sent out via DocuSign. This will allow you to view the agreement first and then sign it electronically. Please go ahead and open up your email. Do you see the email that I sent to you? If not, please check your spam or junk mail folder. Right, please open the agreement. Please hit Review Documents. Next, go ahead and sign. Let me know once it's complete. Typically here, we want to make sure that you also pull up the agreement and go over it at the same time with the client. Great, we received the agreement. You'll have a copy of this agreement in your inbox from DocuSign. Next thing that will happen is that you will receive a compliance call from the Student Loan Consolidation Center within 48 hours. It is important that you take this call. The area code is typically 954 or a toll-free number. And client, since you are applying for an IBR or pay-as-you-earn, you'll be required to provide your last year's tax returns and also the last month's paycheck stubs or award letters if applicable. Do you have any other questions? Great. Well, you have a great rest of the day. This is what the client's going to see as far as the DocuSign. This is the review option. This is how they're going to go ahead and sign, and once it's done, they need to confirm the signing. And then this is how they can save the DocuSign file. And the client will receive an email saying that their document has been completed. Also, at this point, it's very important that you make sure to identify that you have the employment information completed with address and contact information, and also all the necessary details with the client's references that is going to be used. Thank you.